Rickaquaog here and welcome to another video. And today I will meet a 24-inch Akai TV. This is a 4K panel. I've been using it for a couple of months now. I actually enjoy it. Yo, what's up? Oh my god, what the
When I'm on the rails, I go choo-choo.
Hello guys, Rickaquaog here and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to do a little DIY. A disclaimer though, I don't know the electronics or the engineering to this, but it actually works. All we're going to do is to turn our broken TVs into a bright artificial daylight source. This is an easy project. All you need is a broken TV, an adapter, and maybe a screwdriver to take apart the TV, and it's easy. So let's get to the video. So before we begin this project, I'm going to ask that if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you get notified the next time I upload a video. We do tech content and all this kind of stuff. So come join the Rickaquaog family. Let's see how this goes. So this is the TV I have here. This is an Akai 32-inch or 24-inch or whatever it is, but it's actually broken. The screen is not working. We've tried to fix it a couple of times. We couldn't fix it. So we are going to turn this into a bright daylight source. It actually works. We're going to take it apart, take away all the electronics and left with the panel. So let me give you a quick time lapse of how this goes down. So this is the part we are going to use for the light itself. As you can see, I already disconnected it from the board and I connected my adapter. I think it's a 25 watts adapter or something like that. So just connect it and just like that, you turn the light on. You're going to get a really bright light source. This is really good. You can use it to light your scenes or use it as an artificial light source to even light rooms if you want. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on for you to see. As you can see, this is very cool. You can use it to light your scenes. You can use it to, I don't know, use it for anything you want. This is an artificial light source. Like I said, you don't need to throw your TVs away. You can get this out of your TV, your LED TV. So I'm going to use the new light that I just made to light this scene. As you can see, it's a little bit dark. I'm using just a small LED panel down here, so it's not so bright. I'm going to turn it on for you to see the before and after. So this is it. This is the new LED panel that I just made, the new light source. You can see how bright it is. You can use to light your scenes for anything that you want to do, for photography, anything. It's actually cool. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything. All you just do to dismantle your old TV and make something cool like this. So this is the DIY project I wanted to share with you guys. If you're new to this channel, I highly recommend that. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see cool stuff like this. Leave your comment, views, or anything in the comment section. I actually want to see you guys try this. If you have sports TVs there, you can try this and share with me on Instagram or anything. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I'm Rickaquaog and I'm signing out. Peace. I'm out.